Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about Dolby noise reduction. For most of the second half of the 20th century, magnetic tape was used in the making of most audio recordings. But there was always some background noise present on them. This tape hiss or white noise was most noticeable in quieter musical passages. In 1965, electrical engineer Dr. Ray Dolby 1933 proposed the first magnetic tape noise reduction system. The task was to improve the signal to noise ratio of the recording, reducing the level of hiss without affecting the quality of the sound. His approach was to compand, that is, compress then expand the sound. During recording, an encoding circuit was inserted between the recording source and the tape recorder. This compressed the dynamic range of the recording. During playback, a decoding circuit was inserted between the tape recorder and the playback amplifier, expanding the dynamic range once again. The quieter sounds in the spectrum received a greater proportional boost. The signal level dropped and was filtered in the higher frequencies where the tape hiss existed. On playback, the white noise was less audible. Dolby's first system, Dolby A, was widely adopted within the professional recording market when the lower fidelity Philips cassette replaced the reel to reel machine. Dolby produced a simple version and licensed it to cassette recorder manufacturers. Today we are using Dolby Atmos in our phone only, so we can easily hear a sound clearly and with good experience. So this is a small history of Dolby, how it took birth. So thank you for watching.